Hey friends, and welcome to the Fidget Spinner Project, which is something like this, in case you didn't know. Before we really dive into it, here's a quick little bit of background. If you have done the Maze Project with us before, you know that the growing town of Sticksville has a popular toy store in town. This time around, they have brought you in to help them design a certain toy that they keep hearing all about, called a fidget spinner. They would like you to design them a cool-looking, functioning fidget spinner and then educate them on how they work so they feel comfortable selling it in their stores. Do you think you're up for the task to help the toy store stock their shelves with a new, customized, best-selling product? And in case you didn't know, here's a quick definition. Fidget spinners are small, handheld toys that are designed to help people who have trouble focusing or fidgeting. They typically consist of a ball bearing inside the center of a flat structure made out of metal or plastic that people spin around their fingers, and they're also really fun to play with. And just to share a little bit of history, modern fidget spinners were invented in the 1990s to help people with ADHD, anxiety, and some other conditions help focus their energy. They gained tons of popularity in the year 2017 after going viral, and they sold millions of items and fidget spinners around the world, but since then, their popularity has declined a little bit. However, the key word there is modern fidget spinners. Check this out. It looks like people nearly 1,000 years ago thought the idea of a fidget spinner would be useful or cool also. And after seeing that picture, who knows where these will go or what people will use them for from here, but we're definitely tuned in to find out. So why are we making a project out of this, and how do fidget spinners relate to the real world? Well, outside of helping people reduce their stress and anxiety, that type of thing, they don't exactly have tons of applications in the STEM world. But with that being said, some of the science behind them does. This is just a quick preview because, as you know, we'll share a little bit more in the next video, but this technology used inside fidget spinners is found in all kinds of industries, like the automotive industry, industrial machinery, the aerospace industry, medical equipment, and of course, even skateboards and things like roller skates. So what do we want you to take away from this, friends? Well, on top of learning just a little bit more about what fidget spinners are, we also want you to learn some of the science and engineering behind them, like we just mentioned. You're also going to get to build one and test one out for yourself, and even hear from a professional fidget spinner. So with all that being said, we will see you in the next video.